Okay, so just to review, in the last video we did fractions and how to multiply fractions by reducing beforehand, or you can reduce at the end. So if we're dealing with rational expressions, it's a very similar approach. We can do it one of two ways. So I'm going to show you both ways. So in this one, what I'm going to do is try and reduce ahead of time. So this part's easy because I have 4x and 12x. Well, the x's are going to cancel, okay? And then I have 4, and 4 goes into 12 3 times. So that part was easy. This one's a little more difficult. I have x plus 2, but this one I have 10x plus 20. So what you have to do is factor first. So I left you a little bit of room to do this. So I take a 10 out of this. 10 out of 10x leaves you x. 20 divided by 10 is 2. So a lot of times in these problems, things will cancel out. And that's sort of learning the strategy is making sure that some things cancel. So some things should cancel in all our problems that we do. So we have x plus 2 cancels x plus 2. And remember, it goes to 1. It's not 0. They go to 1. So on top you have 1 times 1 is just 1. And on the bottom you have 3 times 10 times 1, which is just 3 times 10, which is 30. So my answer is 1/30. So I can do it the other way. It's just a little more work. So on this other way I do x plus 2 times 4x. I'm just going to leave it as 4x times x plus 2. On the bottom, I have 12x times 10x plus 20. Okay, that's fine. Now I can just reduce where I think I can. So here I have 4x goes in once and leaving a 3 on the bottom. I again have x plus 2, so I have to first factor. So on the top I have x plus 2, and on the bottom I have 3. And then I'm going to write a 10 and do x plus 2 again, okay? I put the multiply because all this is multiplied, all right? So I need to make sure it says multiplied. These now cancel to be 1, and on top I have 1, and on the bottom I have 3 times 10 times 1, which is 30. Again, I get 1/30, okay? So either way you do it, you're going to get the same answer, but I hope this helps you to understand what's going on with this multiplying polynomials.